Hello friends! Today we're going to do a simulation with Tinkercad regarding operating the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor module. Under the Starters tab, we will write Arduino, then select Ultrasonic Rangefinder and place it in the palette. Now let's select the Basic tab and drag in an LED to the palette. Next, let's drag the resistor and then rotate the resistor. And we place it next to the LED and connect it to port A5 to the controller. Remember to then connect the resistor to the anode of the LED and the cathode to the ground, which is the G and D pin. Now that we are set up for the connection, let's click Code in the right corner where we will check two important lines of code. Let's check the code to make sure the output is correct for the LED indicator. As you see here, it is on pin mode A5, which is what shows our connection is correct. Next, we scroll down to under the loop sequence and the line of code representing the if block. The controller will turn on the LED here while it lights up with less than 256 resolution with a distance range of 3 inches and 125 inches. Let's close the code and start the simulation. We see that LED lights up recognizing the ultrasonic sensor, which means it's energized. We then click on it to enable the zone detection. The zone represents 3 inches to 125 inches. When an object is in the zone using our circle indicator, you will see the LED light up, showing that our ultrasonic sensor is reading that object. When we move it out of the zone, the LED turns off. If we go close to the sensor, which would be under 3 inches, the LED turns back off. This occurs the same by going out of the zones left and right. Thanks for watching. Check in back with you for the next video.